Hello guys! Welcome sa ating new video. Ang topic natin ngayon ay HTML list. Ito yung gagawa ka ng set of related items in list like menu o kaya list of siblings. Pero before tayo magbigay ng example, ito pala yung mga list tags. UL defines an ordered list. OL defines an ordered list. LI defines list items. So, under siya ng UL at OL. And DL defines a description list. DT naman defines a term in a description list. And DD is describe the term in a description list. So, ibig sabihin, nagde-describe siya doon sa DT natin na tags. So, before tayo explain yung iba, ito pala yung ating mga example. So, example natin dito is an ordered list at ordered list. Pag ordered list, napapansin nyo, naka-bullet siya. And ordered list naman is naka-numbers like that. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Then, sa code natin guys, start with UL tags ito. An ordered list pala yung ating first example. So, UL yung first tags. Under nito is LI tags. So, dito ka maglalagay ng mga gusto mong text. Example dito is coffee, tea, and milk. Then, ito yung ating output. So, nakabullet siya. Next naman is ang ordered list. Yan. Same lang pa rin yung text niya, coffee, tea, and milk. Before that, starts with UL tags muna siya. And then, LI tags. Mapapansin nyo guys, yung ordered list at unordered list, kusang lalabas yung bullet at numbers each output. At yan yung kanilang difference. Next natin is yung last ito guys, description list. First tag is DL. So, wag kalimutan DL. Under dito is DT tags. Coffee yung nakalagay sa DT. And DD naman is black hot drink. And next is milk. And then white cold drink. And then ito yung kanyang output. Sa description list, so kung napapansin nyo, yung coffee na word, nakalagay siya sa DT. So, yung ating black hot drink, ito yung nagdi-describe sa ating coffee. So, yan ang ibig sabihin ng description list. Yung sa code natin guys, pag gusto mo naka-ordered list, yung UL at LI na tags ang combination. Pag ordered list naman, OL at LI. Pag naka-description list naman yung gusto mo, lagyan mo ng DL, DT, at DD. At syempre guys, huwag kalimutan itong ating mga end tags like this. Yan. So, yun lang for today's video guys. Thank you for watching. Happy coding and good luck!